Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share all about scripting. And if you are someone who is new to scripting and who wants to know how scripting can help you to manifest your desire by rewiring your subconscious mind, you have come to the right place. Myself, Kinjal, and I create videos on manifestation. I also do channeled messages and I always talk about quantum leaping. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it. Scripting is a very powerful tool for people who find it hard to visualize their desires. We know that when you do visualization, it automatically rewires your subconscious mind because your subconscious mind does not know the difference between imagination and reality. So, when you imagine something, it is taking it as truth, ultimate truth, and that's how it is creating your reality. What happens is that when you are trying to visualize, you don't know the small details. When you want to manifest anything, you don't know all the thing about that thing. So what happens is that it becomes very hard for you to actually visualize it, and then you get distracted and all of those things. This is exactly when scripting is a very powerful tool, because when you are writing, okay, you are not going to get distracted, and also you are going to focus on a lot of details that you might miss while you are visualizing. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why scripting is such a powerful tool to manifest your desire, and I am also going to share that why scripting does not use for some people, because what mistakes they are making, and I am also going to reveal step by step framework for scripting that I personally use, and in the end, I'm also going to give you some bonus tips that will help you manifest your desire faster than ever using scripting. First of all, let's talk about why scripting is so powerful. It's because when you are writing, you are not just writing words, you are literally giving your subconscious mind a new evidence of the reality that you want to manifest. And like I said already, that your subconscious does not know the difference between imagination and reality, so it is going to take it as a truth and convert into that reality. Also, scripting puts you in that state of wish fulfilled, and when you are in that state, that is exactly what you need to manifest your desire, because the ultimate way to manifest something is to be in that state. Most people, what they do is they become so desperate that they constantly thinking about that thing, but that is only going to put you in the state of lack. Only when you are being in that state, like the wish is already fulfilled, that makes you so much magnetic that you manifest anything faster than ever. And guess what, scripting helps you exactly do that. So now let's talk about step by step method how to do scripting that will help you manifest anything. Okay, so it is divided in 4 steps. Number 1 is get crystal clear about what you want. So you have to be very specific. Now most people here, what they do is, okay, I want a car, or I want a partner, I want to manifest a partner for myself, I want to manifest a dream relationship, I want to manifest dream home. Okay, that's great, but what about the details? What kind of home you want to manifest, what kind of car you want to manifest? Let's say that universe is ready to give you the car, but you are not seeing the model, the company, the features that you want in car or anything like that. Universe is confused, it is vague, and what happened most of the time that you end up manifesting something that you don't want and that is not aligned. It happens especially in relationships, because people are not clear about what kind of partner they want. They are so desperate that they just want a relationship, they just want to be in a relationship, but they don't focus on these details that are so much important if you want to manifest something that makes you happy. Because all of this, why you are doing it, you want happiness, you want love, you want to have money, wealth, everything, right? So for that, you need to be very crystal clear about what you want. So just sit with yourself and ask yourself that, okay, for example, let's say that you want a dream home, then you have to ask yourself, okay, then how would I want my bedroom look like? Personally, for me, I would love to have a library, a very huge balcony where I can have so many plants and, one jhula and so much of space. I want it to be spacious. Also my hall, how do you want your hall to be like, your kitchen, and like I want to even your toilet. Yeah, I am not kidding here. when you are crystal clear about each and everything and about the small details, you will be able to understand that okay, how you are going to feel. You are going to feel that luxury, and feeling is the secret to manifest. So here you need to be very specific, and you need to write down all the details of that. So that is the first thing. Second thing is, you have to write it in present tense. You do not write it in I want it, or like I want a dream house, I want a dream car, or I will have a dream car. This will put you in the state of lack. This will again indicates universe that you don't have it. And guess what, that is exactly opposite of what you want to manifest. Because when you want to manifest something, you have to be in the state of wish fulfilled. But when you say that I want it, it means that you don't have it yet. And whatever you are writing, universe is just going to mirror it back in your reality, and you don't want that, right? So you have to write it like it is already happened. So like, I am so grateful that I'm living in my dream house. The sun rays are just reflecting on me. The My face is glowing in the sunlight. Whenever I open my balcony, the view is so good. I am feeling so grateful. Literally be in that state for a minute. Just think about it, that how you are going to feel. Again, like I said, that feeling is the secret. Okay, so yes, you have to write it in present tense. Now step 3 is that emotion and being in that state of gratitude, because it is very very important. See, your subconscious does not understand the language of logic. So don't be like, when it's your when it's your car, oh, I am so happy that my car have this feature and that feature. It's, you are not even going to look at that feature. Okay, let's, for example, let me give you an example of your mobile. Your mobile has hundreds of features. Are you ever say that, oh, have you ever said that, oh, I am so happy that this feature, oh my god, I am enjoying it so much? Never, right? So similarly, it's with your car as well, or anything for that matter. Be in that emotion, feel the feelings. And for that, one thing you are going to do is that, you are being so grateful. So what are you going to be grateful about? So just for that, close your eyes for 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then ask yourself, how am I going to feel if I finally attracted my dream partner, or my dream house, or my dream car? When you just imagine yourself sitting in that car, driving that car, going on the road, going in the streets, meeting your friends, you are going to feel luxurious. When you have a dream car, right, you are going to feel so happy and loved and being taken care of when you have right partner, right relationship. So that's what you need to really feel the amount. And let's say that, you be like, but Kinjal, I did not have it earlier, so I don't know how it feels. I know, I know this. So you don't, may maybe you are single all your life, and you don't know what having a partner feels like. But you know how your mother loved you, or how even your best friends loves you, right? So you just have to feel that love, that how they do things for you. How your mother took care of you always. How, let's say that you don't have a car right now, but you have a vehicle, so at least it is helping you in some way. So you just have to be grateful for that, that it is taking you from one place to another place. That is also a luxury, because not everyone has that. I know in my college days I did not have any vehicle. I used to go and commute by bus, and there are other people who have those vehicles, and I used to be like, I wish that I have it, but I did not. So my point here is, you have to be grateful, and also you have to do not think about logical things and logical features of anything that you want to manifest, but you have to be in that emotion, what emotion it is producing in yourself when you are thinking about that thing. And you have to be very very grateful, because that's what you are going to do. Just imagine that right now you have, just right now universe delivers you to you whatever you are asking for. How you are going to feel? You are going to feel so grateful, right? So that is exactly what you need to do. But we are going to do it again and again for every small detail, not just like saying that, oh, I am so grateful for my dream partner, but also I am so grateful that I am in such a lovely relationship where my partner is taking care of me, where my partner is taking me to surprise dates. My partner is giving me this spa and massages which I always wanted. See how am I, literally going in that detail, because like I said, see, the crow is also saying that I'm saying the right thing, so guys, please believe me. Anyways, so yes, be in that detail and be in the emotion, and always great. Right, when you are writing, be grateful about every single small detail that you might cherish when you have that thing, and also it is going to help you manifest those things as well. Because see, when you are writing that I'm so grateful that my partner is giving me massages and spa and all of that, that is also giving universe a message that you want this kind of partner, so you are going to attract right partner or right relationship, and not something that you do not like. Right, now tip number 4 is do it consistently, make it a ritual. See, you are doing it once is not going to help you manifest, because all those programming, all those beliefs and patterns you have right now in your subconscious mind, you are only going to rewire it when you are doing it consistently. And if you just do it once and you be like, now universe just give me, that's not going to happen. So for that, that's my mother-in-law, you need to do it consistently, because that is what only going to rewire your subconscious mind. The repetition is key here. I know that it might get boring sometimes, so what you can do is you can just play around with your manifestation. Okay, you don't need to just keep writing about the one thing, but you can also manifest small things here and there. So sometimes whatever your mood, literally just ask yourself that what I want to manifest today and how it is going to make me feel, and then just go focus on the details and write it down. But the key here is again embodiment. The purpose of this entire exercise is to be in that state and in that vibration of already your manifestation is already being done. Now the time for bonus tip, act on it immediately. Take any physical action. Okay, so it again gives your subconscious a message that you are ready, and even universe that you are ready to receive that manifestation. So let's say that if it is a dream car, you can just go and take a test drive. It's okay if you don't have any money. I know it's going to feel super uncomfortable, because you'll be like, I don't have money, I don't have budget, I don't know, I am not going to even buy the car. How embarrassing it is that I'm going in the store, I'm taking a test drive, and then I'm saying, no, 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 I am not buying. See, I get it. But the entire purpose of this is to get uncomfortable. Yes, you are going to feel uncomfortable, but that's what only going to help you to be in that vibration of. See, when you are doing it, what happens is that your frequency is expanding, and you are actually experiencing the test drive, so you know how it feels when you actually have that. So again, when you are writing it, you exactly know the details, how smooth the drive was, right? So it is again going to help you to rewire your subconscious mind. Also, when you are doing this exercise, what happens is that if you are doing it consistently, you are going to start getting some intuition to take action. So without any delay, without before any overthinking came into play, you need to take that action. Whatever it is, just take it. Even if it feels silly at that time, just take it. Because your intuition is so powerful. Maybe you don't know the power of your intuition right now, but I am telling you from my experience that when it is telling you to do something, please just do it. Without, because it's not going to make any sense, it won't, but it will help you to get one step closer. So that's it for today. I hope that you like this video, and just let me know in the comments that what are you going to script about, what it is that you are manifesting the first thing after watching this video. And if you have any questions, just drop down in the comments and I would love to answer that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it.